In this video, I'll teach you how to make money online. Yes, money. Yes, money.
If we stayed open later, you'd give us your money?
Sure.
Mr. Squidward, welcome to the night shift.
My name is Quinn. Thanks for jumping onto my channel. You'll be learning how to make $100,000 in 12 months as a coach. So let's begin. In order to show you how to make money online, I'll give you a case study today, which is a very huge inspiration for me. And you may know her, she's kind of famous, or kinda. Her name is Kylie Jenner. This lady here. She's the world's youngest billionaire by the age of 21. Like, oh my god, 21?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
She has broken Mark Zuckerberg's record by being the youngest billionaire by age 23. So if you don't know, what is her business? She's a social media influencer and the owner of a cosmetic company called Kylie Cosmetics. As of today, Kylie has 128 million followers on Instagram and she has 26.7 million followers on Twitter. One of the examples of her huge social media power is when she tweeted that she was kind of getting bored with Snapchat. Oh, Snapchat's boring. That literally wiped $1 billion off Snapchat shares on the stock market. Like crazy, eh? So let me tell you more about her business model. She has a total of 12 employees, 7 full-time and 5 part-time. Her company does not manufacture any products. The manufacturing and packaging is outsourced to a company called Seed Beauty, a private label company in California. And her company does not own a sales team. Her sales and fulfillment is handled by Shopify, which is an online merchant on Facebook, and her day-to-day management and PR is managed by her mom, alongside with her 12-member staff. Can you see how small this company is? And she's making $1 billion? I know companies who have thousands of staff who have huge offices in the city are not even making $1 billion. And her entire marketing is done on social media. And you want to know how she makes money? Well, she puts a post up on her Instagram like, oh, I've got this lipstick for 29 bucks. Go on my landing page, go on my website and go get it now. Hashtag FOMO, which means fear of missing out. It's only limited edition. Hashtag limited edition. She literally had 10,000 stock of those lipsticks that were sold out in minutes, like minutes, by her raving fans, which crashed her website. So to answer your question, how do you make money online? 2 easy steps. Go online, get followers. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, please subscribe. I do need a bit of followers on the channel. Thank you so much. Hit the bell notification. Hit a like if you like this video so far. As those that are watching and those that are YouTubers, you know that being a social media influencer is very hard, especially when you're starting out in this saturated platform we call YouTube now. So is making online easy? Not really, but there are certain strategies. You see, when I'm jumping on YouTube, I'm just here to give value and raise awareness in what I do, which is I'm a marketing coach that uses Facebook to generate organic leads. And currently, and at this moment, I already made $100,000 in 5 months doing my organic strategy, which I'll be showing you in this channel how to do step by step. Please comment below what other ways are you making money online. I love to hear your comments and I love to read them and reply to them, and I would love to subscribe back to your channel. This is Quang Huynh, your line marketing coach. Remember, we're all lions in this digital jungle. It's just some of us has forgotten our roar. Catch you later.